let's discuss the product rule. We have the formula for product rule as the derivative of f times g is equals to f times the derivative of g plus g times the derivative of f. So, we have the example of x squared sine x. So, to compute this function, let's to know what is the terms of this function. We have the f of x squared and the g of sine x. So, to compute this, we need to derive the g and f. So, the derivative of f is equals to, gamitin natin ang product rule na x squared, na which is magiging yung n natin 2 itatime sa unahan na number na may 1 dito, magiging 2, and copy the x. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, so pwede natin siyang ilagay. And the derivative of g is equals to, ang derivative ng sin x natin is cosine x. So now, let's proceed to the formula of f times g times g, f times the derivative of g. So, ang f natin is, ang derivative, f natin is x squared times ang g, derivative natin ng g is cosine x, plus ang value ng g natin is sin x, at ang value naman ng derivative of f natin is 2x. We solve this one. For now, we get the x squared times cosine x plus sin x times 2x. So, we multiply this one. X squared times cosine x equals to x squared cosine x plus sin x times 2x equals to 2x sin x. To simplify this, ilabas natin ang x. So, pag nilabas natin ang x, ang matitira sa x squared is x. Matitira ang cosine x plus, nilabas natin yung isang x, mabubukas natin ng isang x. Pag tinanggal yan, magiging 2. Matitira is 2 sin x. This is how the product rule. Let's discuss the quotient rule. First, we have the formula of the quotient rule is the derivative of f divided by g is equals to g times the derivative of f minus f, the derivative of g, over the square of g. So, let's have the example of the derivative of 8x plus 3 over x squared plus 4. First, we have to know the terms on this function. We have the f of 8x plus 3, and we have the g of x squared plus 4. We find the derivative of f is equals to 8x. So, we have this 1 power in x. 1 times 8 equals to 8. So, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So, mawawala na yung x kasi naging 0 ang kanyang power. Plus, since ito ay constant, itong 3 na to, we have the constant rule na lahat ng constant ay 0. Natanggal na siya. So, matitira is 8. And the derivative of g is equals to power ulit 2 times the number sa unahan. 2 times 1 is equals to x, since 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. And the constant constant itong 4, magiging 0 lang yan. So, let's substitute these values on this formula. So, ang g natin is, we have x squared plus 4 at the derivative of f is 8 minus, we have the f is 8x plus 3 times the derivative of g is 2x times 2x over the derivative of g ay the square of g, which is ito, a squared plus 4. To find this derivative, first we multiply this 2 and this 2. So 8 times x squared magiging 8x squared. 8 times 4 equals to positive 32 minus 8 times 2 is equals to 16x and 3 times 2x equals to 6x over squared over the squared of the quantity of x squared plus 4. Next, we have to switch the integers of this 8x squared plus 32, negative times positive equals to negative 16x, negative times positive equals to negative 6x over the square x squared plus 4 squared. Let's combine the lighters. So we have the 16x squared x squared. You have the 8x minus 16x squared. 8x squared minus 16x squared. Natitira is negative 8x squared. Matitira si negative 6x at si positive 32 over the quantity of x squared plus 4 squared. This is how to solve the quotient rule.